Hello and welcome to Tech. I am Mohammad Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about the three types of joins in Power BI DAX. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. There are three types of joins in DAX. One is cross join, natural inner join, and natural left outer join. Joins basically returns a table with a Cartesian product between each row in a table 1 and the table that results from the evaluating table 2 in the context of the current row from table 1. The syntax is cross join table 1 comma table 2. The same way it works with natural inner join left table with the right table and natural left outer join left table comma right table. The example is cross join region the table 1 and sales table is the table 2. Natural inner join left is region and right table is sales table. Natural left outer join region left table and right is sales table. Before going into the Power BI, let's first understand the joins. The join types, so say for example this is a table 1 and we are joining it to table 2. The left outer join will have the results of the table 1 completely, and the values which are matching between table 1 and table 2, it will return these both of them. If it is an inner join, then it will return only the value which is matching between table 1 and table 2. Okay, the next is the right outer join. In right outer join, it will return the result with the value which is matching with table 1 and table 2 and all the values from the table 2. It's just the opposite of the left outer join. And the cross join is just look for the value which is matching in both of the tables and returns both the table values. So now let's go into the Power BI. So this is the Power BI file. Let's go to data tab, and I have these two tables. One is region. In this I have only the region name and the ID, and others I have the sales table. In this I have the transaction with the sales quantity, product, and then the region name. So if you go to the relationship, these two tables is joined between the region name and region with one to many, many to one relationship. So sales table has many region name and region one name. So it's many to one relationship. I have made a video about the four types of relationships in Power BI. If you haven't seen that, just click on the link given on top of your screen. Now coming back to this one. So for the join DAX functions to work, it is a must to have the relationship between the tables. So first let's have a look at the natural inner join. So this inner join I have made here. So region on the left side and the sales on the right side. So inner join is basically what we have seen just before. Is if the both of the tables rows is matching, then only it is going to return the value. Here we have got four values. The left table is a region, so we got this name and ID, and after that it is the value from the sales table. So we got only north, south, and east here, and north, south, and east here. If you go and check the value of the region table, so this is the output from the natural inner join, a region on the left side and sales table on the right side. So we got these four rows. Whereas if you look at the master here, in region we have 5 rows and in sales we have also 5 rows, but it returns only 4. The reason is inner join, it has to match all the values between these two tables. If you look at the values here, north is there, south also is there, east also is there, but there is no west here, and central also is not available here. Instead of that, it has value of capital, which is not available here. So what it does is it just neglect this value. The fifth row is not visible here. If you look at the serial number, so 1, 2, 3, 4 from the sales table we got this, and the fifth row is neglected here because this is not matching with the region table. You can put this on either way, that is natural inner join bracket sales table comma region, and this will also react in the same way. If both of the table doesn't match the record, then it is not going to show it here. It will neglect that record. So let's have a look at the natural left outer join. So in that I have made two here. One is natural left outer join with the region column first. So if you look at the DAX here, natural left outer join, region on the left side and sales table on the right side. So the output with result here, we got 6 rows here instead of 5. The reason is north it has 2 times repeated here because the transaction in the sales table for the north is 2. That's why it has returned 2 values for the north in the master, and after that it returns only 1 row here for south, east, west and central. As this is the left outer join, so that's why it has returned all the values from the region table, and the values which are not matching on the sales table it returns just blank. So let's have a look at the natural left outer join in the reverse way, that is sales table on the left side and region on the right side. Now it returns 5 rows because sales table has 5 rows, and if you look at the values here, name and id, it is from the region table. So north, north, south and east, but we have not received the information of west and central here, because whatever the value which is matching in the left side it returns the value, and the values which are not matching from left table to right, it will show the left table value but it will neglect the right table value. Say here, so we got this all the information from the sales table, that is capital also we have brought up here, whereas the value is not available on the region table, so it just show as a blank here. But the region has additional data like west is there and central is there, it is not reflected here. The reason is it is a left outer join. The next is the cross join. Cross join basically just runs like each value of the each table, and it just go through all the values from the next table. That is, these are 5 values we have in region and 5 in sales table. 5 into 5, it returns the 25 rows here. If you look at the value here, 25 rows. And also look at the example. I made a DAX calculation as cross join region comma sales table. So region will come first on the left side. So first is the north, south, east and west, and central, north, east, south and west. So it returns 5 values here, again north, south, east, west and central. So this the value 5 of the values from the region table it has brought up here. Whereas if you look at the next table, which starts from here, the serial number 1 repeats 5 times, 2 repeats 5 times, and 3 repeats 5 times, 4 repeats 5 times, and 5 repeats 5 times. For each record of the left table, it just goes with all the records on the right table. So if you filter just the ID 1 here, so it has all the records 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, if you filter the value 2 here, this will also have all the records 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even though the values are matching or not, but it just bring all the values from both the tables. I hope you got the brief idea about the 3 types of joins in Power BI. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.